I've been pushing.
Hi everyone, it's Mary Beth from MbGray Designs. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you are here with me today. So I'm doing a voiceover even though I was talking during the video, but my mic wasn't working, so I apologize for that. So let's see if I even kind of remember what's going on here. So this is a bowl mold. I'm going to use, that was crushed crystal. And then these inclusions I got from Hobby Lobby, and they're like cut up little like cellophane. I don't know exactly what they're called, but they're really pretty. So what I'm going to do is the bowl is 12 ounces of resin. We're going to put crushed crystal in it, and then we're going to put the inclusions right there, the pink, whatever they are, shreds of cellophane. I don't know what they are. Tell me what they are. Somebody tell me if there's a name for them, but we're going to put those in there. And I think it's going to make a beautiful bowl. And actually, I cannot wait for you to see the end result because I absolutely love how I embellished it. And I'm going to call it a purse bowl. There's a thing called a purse bowl now, you know? So anyway, so 12 ounces, I'm going to use the Let's Resin mixer, the large mixer, to do that. And then I have a bubble remover, and I got to split the resin 3 ways into 3 cups, 4 ounces each, just so it doesn't bubble over in my bubble remover. So I'll put the crushed crystal in, and then I'll put it in the bubble remover, and then when I take it out, I'll put those pink flakes in, is what I'm going to do. So again, I'm going to be using Let's Resin Epoxy, the 1-to-1. So for 12 ounces, I'll do 6 ounces of A and 6 ounces of B. Use my mixer, mix it real good, put it in the 3 cups, put it through my bubble remover, which I'm sorry, I don't film that part. It's like 10 minutes in a bubble remover. But yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. And then when I come back, the crushed crystal will already be in there. And then what we'll do is we will add those flakes. So I'm just putting my gloves on, it looks like right now. I have no idea what I'm talking about at this point. Oh, I got that half off though at Hobby Lobby. Oh my gosh. All right, so now I'm back. I'm back from the bubble remover, and you can see those are not bubbles, that's crushed crystal in there. So I just put a little bit. I didn't want to overpower it. And now we are going to take the flakes. I'm just going to call them pink flakes because I don't know what else to call them. And I'm just guesstimating here. I'm just dumping some in, see how it looks, you know, because I want it to be pink. I want you to see them, you know. So I, you know, I just mix up a little bit. This first cup, I kind of figure out how much I want in, and then I tried to match as much as I could in the other 2 cups. I wasn't perfect about it, but they all are going to blend together, right, when we pour it into this bowl mold. I've only used this mold 1 time before, and so the only time I've ever used it, I did, what are they called? Abalone shells. It was beautiful. But oh my gosh, what a mess trying to get that in this bowl, because it's hard to get in the sides on this mold. So anyway, but we don't have that problem with this really, because this is much easier. So yeah, I'm just mixing. So what's everybody been up to? Leave me a comment. Tell me what you've been working on. How's everything going? Hope everyone's doing well. And thank you again for stopping by. I would love it if you give me a thumbs up. It really does help my channel. And if you haven't subscribed yet, I hope you consider doing so. Just trying to have some fun here. So I've had a channel for quite a while, and I have a lot of DIY videos. And then I just recently got into resin a few months ago, and I had taken a long break from YouTube, like a couple years. So I'm just getting back into it. So sorry if my editing and things aren't all that great, but I'm working on it. I'm certainly working on it. So just want to try and bring you some fun content and maybe give you some ideas. And also, I'm definitely learning along the way. There's so much to learn because I'm newer at this and there's just so much to learn. So the mold I got on Amazon. I will have it linked in the description box. I also will put my Amazon storefront in the description box because I'll make sure that there's a section for resin, and then like anything I buy off Amazon that has to do with resin, like the alcohol, the molds, the tools, things like that, I'll just pop it in there just so it's easy access for you to get to it through my storefront. All right, so it looks like we are getting ready to start pouring this thing, which is great. And again, like I said, it's a little bit difficult with the size of the mold, but we make it work. We definitely make it work. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry, it's taking me a long time. Oh, we're going to put alcohol in there first. Yeah, let's get some alcohol down in there. I think I kind of rub it down in there a little bit. Just make sure, you know, you get it all the way around. And that just helps prevent bubbles as well. So definitely want to use the 99.9% alcohol. Again, I get mine on Amazon, but you could probably get it at, you know, whatever store is near you. All right, here we go. So I'm starting, and I'm just kind of trying to get it to go down the sides before the top fully fills up, you know. Isn't it pretty? I just think it's so pretty because it's really hard to tell on camera, but there's actually shades of like gold and green and yellow and stuff in that, you know, depending on the angle or whatever that you're looking at it. I hope that makes sense. So yeah, it's kind of cool. I was excited when I got these at Hobby Lobby just the other day, and this is exactly what I wanted to do with them. I wanted to do a bowl, so I'm so excited. And at this point, doing the voiceover, I know what the bowl turned out like. But when I was talking on the video, of course I didn't because it was before it was done. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to scrape my cup. Just get every little bit. Resin is expensive, as we all know. Or if you're new to resin and you don't know, I think it's expensive because you have to keep buying it. So yeah, always scrape your resin out of your cups. You wouldn't believe how much is in there. It's surprising to me sometimes how much comes out when you're scraping. So I'm gonna go through and finish up these other 2 cups, and then I'll be back.
I've been pushing away everybody I love. I don't know what to do. Need a sign from above. I just want to be somebody who knows how to behave, but I'm not even close. Won't you save me? Won't you save me? I am out here alone.
Okay, so now at this point I have about an ounce left, and I got these turtle molds. Aren't they cute? These cute little turtles. So I'm going to go ahead and just fill them up. I'm going to spray them with alcohol first. And believe it or not, 1 ounce filled up 4 of those turtles. So each one of them only took like 1/4 of an ounce. So great little mold for extras. So yeah, that's what I'm doing now. Also, right before that, I was just kind of squeezing the sides and the bottom and stuff just to also prevent and get any bubbles up that might be kind of lodged down in there. So that's what I was doing to the bowl mold. But yeah, all right, I'm going to go ahead and fill these turtles up, and then we're going to let this sit on my heat mat for a while until it's done, and then we will demold together.
'Cause there's nobody left. I need someone to talk to, get this pain on my chest. All the bad things I've done.
Oh yeah, I forgot about this part. So that right there is a jar mold, and I've just been putting in little bits of leftover resin, and it's kind of cool. I think I showed it. It looks like stripes on it. It's all different resin projects. So there was a little bit left, so I was just scraping it in there because I'm telling you, like I said, it's amazing how much is stuck to the sides of the cups and stuff, and so you can get quite a bit out. So yeah, so once that's full, that I already have the lid to that jar full, so this thing is almost full, the jar. So it's kind of cool when it's done. Just all your resin projects, so you'll have glitter and all different colors, and I don't know, it's just kind of fun.
And the people I've hurt wanna take that part of.
Okay, we are ready to demold. Look at the beautiful pink in here. Let's go ahead and get these turtles out real quick. I'm curious to see how they turned out. I've never used this mold, so I kind of want to, oh, duh, it was stuck together. It's two molds. I'm so stupid. Anyway, oh, look at how cute that is. He turned out, or she, they're little girl turtles. I don't know how I want to decorate them up, but they're so cute. They're just little pink turtles, little Valentine's turtles. Very cute. Gives us an idea of what our bowl is going to turn out. I think this is the one, yeah, that has a heart on it. It's probably really hard to see the heart on the shell. Okay, little turtles, we'll just set you up there like little soldiers right there. All right, let's get to this. This might be, I don't know if I have over pour. Here we go. Be very careful because this can be sharp. I've cut myself before. I don't know. I've only done this once, so I don't remember how hard it is to unmold. Hopefully not too hard. So bear with me. Bear with me. We're going to get it. We're going to get it. You're going to come out. Oh, I think I'm going to love this. I am going to be excited to decorate this up. Okay. I might have to demold this off camera. I apologize, but I think I'm going to have to hold this one up close to my body or something. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay, we got it, the most of it. So let's go ahead and demold together the rest of it. I say that and it's still kind of hard to get out. Breaking that seal. All right. Let me get my mold back in its shape. Always put your mold back right away. And then I should have probably cleaned it before I took it out. Oh my gosh. Look at that bowl. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh, I love it. I love it. I mean, if you want a pink bowl, but look at that with all the flakes. They turned out really good. There's green, darker pink, lighter pink, peachy colors. It's beautiful. I hope you can see it okay. Oh, yay. All right, let me put a plan together. This is not gonna, I did not use food safe resin, by the way. This is a bowl to probably hold little things, hold stuff in it, maybe some of my crafting items, whatever. So I'm going to decorate this up big time. Okay, this is going to be a decorative bowl for me, a fun bowl for me. But again, you get this bowl mold, you can use food grade safe, food safe, whatever resin, and do it proper that way and use it. But I don't know. I don't have that type of resin, so I haven't done anything like that yet. But if I do, I'll share it with you. But anyways, wow. And you know what? I wonder, like on a white background, it's different than on my blue mat. So, oh, it's so pretty. All right, I'll be back. Okay, we are ready to reveal. So the little extras, look at how cute these little turtles turned out. There's two of them. Aren't they adorable? And I just made them into magnets. And then the other two, oh, I got some gold glitter here. Sorry. Of course I do. And then here's this one. It had a little star. And this one has like a little flower. So they turned out super cute. They have little magnets. They're just so cute. My bowl, I'm calling it my purse bowl. You know, the purse bowls where when you're switching out your purses. Ta-da! What do you think? I got this beautiful UV DTF sticker that I put in here, and then I coated it with UV resin. I have a little fabric bow that I used bonding UV resin on, and then I just had some I think these are the AB rhinestones. What do you think? And of course, I did sand the bottom, and I used the Resin Restore by Glitz and Glitter by Michelle, just to take away like the sanding marks. There it is. I am in love with it. So I hope you like it. It was really easy to make. I just think it turned out so cute. So you could use it really for anything you want to store something in. Like I said, you can use it as a purse bowl. Anyway, yeah. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for spending some of your valuable time with me here today. I do appreciate it. If you don't mind, please give me a thumbs up. And I would love to have you subscribe to my YouTube channel. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah, until next time, I hope everybody has a great day. Stay tuned for the pictures. Thanks. Bye, everyone.
And leave it in the dirt. Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save, 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 save me? Won't you save?